My name is Atala Abigail, and my last name is Perez Gonzalez. I was born on September 1, 2006 in Mexico City. I am 8 years old and currently live in Mexico City, and my address is Felipe de la Garza Street, 605, Juan Escutia, neighborhood, Iztapalapa district. I live with my parents, Erika and Francisco. My mother is 40 years old and my father is 44 years old. I have 5 dogs and 2 cats. The dogs are called Silvestre, Rita, Odis, Nala, Kobu, and the cats are called Morita and Mazapan. I am currently studying biology at the Iztapalapa Metropolitan Autonomous University CBI Division. I met my best friend in my first year of high school, and his name is Tasael, and I met my two best friends in high school. I met Camila in the 5th semester and Fernanda in the 6th semester. My hobbies are reading manga, watching anime, listening to music. Specific my favorite group which is BTS. I also really like collection BTS album and merchandise as well as collection manga and anime figures. My favorite manga are Megumi and Tsugumi, Neck Painter, and the only ending for the villain is death. Anime are Haikyuu, Doctor Stone, and Kuroko no Basket. I have a top 5 songs and groups that I like music, and they are the following. My 5 songs are Pied Piper, But BTS, Young and Beautiful by Lana Del Rey, Shinawa Ewa by Fujikase, Shut Up My Mom's Calling by Hotel Ugly, and Got Girl by Burio Mida Bennett. My 5 favorite groups are BTS, Centenary Hero, Lana Del Rey, Orange Caramel, and Amy Winehouse. My favorite animals are cat, owls, and jellyfish. My favorite colors are black and purple. My favorite flowers are tulips and flowers.